Hello everyone. Are you tired of lazy animation on your Android phone and want to increase it? I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can increase the animation speed on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings. After entering settings, you have to go to My Phone option or About Phone option. Now here you have to find build number. And then what you have to do, you have to tap it 5 times until a pop-up arrives that shows you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, scroll down, and you will see an option System. Here you have to go to Developer Options, then scroll down until you find Drawing section. Now here you will see three options: Transaction Animation Scale, Animation Duration Scale, and Windows Animation Scale. What you have to do, you have to change it to from 1 to 0.5. That's it. Now you will see a slightly difference in your phone's animation. It will be little much faster because we have changed it from 1 second to 0.5 seconds. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.